Welcome to the replay. Hello, welcome to the replay. We are at the Freeport Recreation Center in Freeport, Long Island, and we have our Parrot Expo here today. Come on down if you're nearby. There are lots of raffles. We have great speakers, birds. I'm going to show you around a little bit and let you see what's happening. Like my hat? Okay, we'll take a look around. So we have a whole room that's filled with raffles. Raffles galore, great prizes, tickets you can purchase, and as long as you're here by 5 p.m., you can pick up. We have our education center, which we have birds. Lots of birds are here present. We'll go through and maybe I'll show you a couple of the birds. Who's that?
It's Sweetie.
Sweetie? He is a peach-faced lovebird?
Latino lovebird.
A Latino lovebird. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, look at the cockatoos. Hi. Hello. We have all different types of birds. That's Tukey. Hello.
I have more bottles for you.
Say hi. Tell them everybody come down to the
Long Island Parrot Expo
at Freeport Rec Center.
Freeport Rec Center. Got a lot of nice birdies.
We have here an African gray.
No, none of that. No, I mean the basic diet.
Okay. We have Cookie. Say hi, Cookie. Cookie is a Parrot. He is about 14 years old.
Have a lot of them.
Okay, I'll take you into the vendor room. You're getting a free checkout of everything that's happening here today. If you're in the vicinity and you want to come in, it's $8 to come on in and shop around. Okay, now we are in. There is lots to see. Lots to buy, lots to buy. We have cages. All different. We have Concetta from the AFA. Say hi, Concetta. We're periscoping.
Hi, how are you?
Come on down and see Concetta from the AFA. We have a black palm cockatoo and another cockatoo. Hey, how's it?
How are you?
Good. We're periscoping.
Periscoping. Very good.
We have vendors galore. Tea. We have tea. Hi, Charlie.
Hello.
This is Charlie from Winging at Avery. He sells tea that absolutely your birds would love. Periscoping.
That's the secret to growing these guys. Is that they want to feed
and the cool
as often as
plants.
possible.
Seymour Gardens.
So when you bring these inside your house, they grow in direct relationship to what they feed on. So if you don't have a lot of inside, that's what you get.
Hello. We have toys galore. Everybody's got their toy setups and foods. So if you're in the vicinity, come on down. We have some other birds. I think I will be doing lots of shopping later. Hello. We have awesome jewelry that has been made
It's just for me.
by Jackie. Get a close look at. We're periscoping. Entice people to come on down.
Right?
All right, lots of toys if you need to get supplies for your birds. Look at that, that is amazing. I know I will probably be doing some shopping here today, definitely. And here is Susan, say hi. We're periscoping.
Hi.
Tell everybody to come on down.
Come on down. The weather's fine.
Yes. No better place to be in the rain. All right. Okay, well, I hope everybody can come on down and see us. We're here doing lots of good stuff. Oh, I see. I know her.
16 of a closet.
Serena.
Dollar piece or 65?
Hey.
Okay, it's 16.
I recognize
All right. We'll see you. Bye, guys.